location of center of mass of different bodies. Okay. Location of center of mass of different bodies. For example, this is the circular ring. This is circular ring. Ring means inside no mass is present. That's why here center of mass located at center. One important very short answer question. Here center of mass located, but here no mass is present because this is the ring. Inside hollow is present. The question is it necessary? Is it necessary? Mass is present. Is it necessary? Mass is present at center of mass? No. Here no mass. So that's why the best example is ring. Okay, Nana? Next, Nana, this is the disc, Nana. What is the difference between ring and disc? Ring have no mass inside, but disc have mass is present. So that's why here center of mass located at center of the disc. Okay, Nana? Next, Nana, I take hollow sphere. Hollow sphere means inside no mass is present. In the situation also, center of mass located at center of mass located at center. This is the solid sphere. Solid sphere best example is best example is earth. Earth. Here center of mass also present at center. Center of mass present at center. Look here, all of you. Look here, all of you. For example, I take a triangle. Look here. In the triangle at the bottom, more mass is concentrated. So, center of mass located at centroid. Once again I repeat. In the triangle at the bottom, more mass is concentrated compared to top. So that's why center of mass located at the centroid of the triangle. Okay, Nana? Next, Nana, I take this is the hollow cone. Look here, all of you. Hollow cone. This cone is center of mass located at a height h by 3. Here, height of the cone is h, Nana. In this situation, center of mass located at bottom is h by 3. This is the hollow cone. Next, I discuss solid cone. Hollow cone means inside no mass is present. Solid cone means inside mass is present. This is h. H is height of the cone. In the solid cone, center of mass present at the bottom. From bottom is h by 4. Look here. Write down all. All the persons please write Nana. Next, Nana, I discuss. Look here, Nana. Look here, all of you. This is the ring, Nana. Semicircular ring. Semicircular ring means half of the ring, Nana. Half of the ring. Look here, all of you. Semicircular ring, Nana. Half of the ring. Here, center of mass located from bottom is, this distance is 2r by pi. Here, r is the radius of the ring. This is the semicircular ring. Next, Nana, I discuss semicircular disc. What is the difference between ring and disc? Ring and disc. Ring have no mass inside. Disc have mass is present. In the situation also, center of mass from bottom. Center of mass from bottom. Here 4r by 3 pi. 4r by 3 pi. This is the semicircular disc. First one is semicircular ring. Once again I repeat. Hemi-hollow sphere. Hemi-hollow sphere means half of the sphere. Here center of mass locate at a distance r by 2. Solid sphere 3r by 8. 3r by 8. What is the question? Location of center of mass of different bodies. Please write down. Next one. Very important concept, very easiest concept. Look here, all of you. Okay? For example, this is the uniform wire. Uniform wire length is given L. Okay? Its center of mass. Uniform wire means center of mass present at center. This wire bend into the circle. This wire bent into the circular ring. Here now. This wire bent. This wire bent into the circular ring. In the situation, ఇంతకుముందు ఇక్కడ ఉంది నాకు. ఇప్పుడు సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ మాస్ రింగ్ ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది? ఇందాక చెప్పా కదా, రింగ్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది నాన్న? సెంటర్. ద క్వశ్చన్ ఈస్ ఫైండ్ shift in center of mass. Do you understand the question? First, a uniform wire is taken. Wire length is what? L. Here it will be bent in the ring. Is bent in the shape of ring. Here a new center of mass is here. Old center of mass is here. Here the question is find shift in center of mass. Here to here, that is called what in the mathematics? Radius. In the mathematics, this is called circumference. Total length is L. L is nothing but the circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle formula 2 pi r. Here what is the r value? Tell me Nana. L by 2 pi. This is the shift in center of mass. Write down all. discuss. Look here. Look here, all of you, Nana. Okay, look here, Nana. Very important concept, Nana. Look here. This is the wire, Nana. Wire, Nana. Here, wire length is L, Nana. What is the uniform wire length? L. Yet midpoint is denoted by O. Based on midpoint, it will be bent. Look here, Nana. This diagram is finally we get. Look here. Nana, this is O. This part is bent here. Okay, this part is bent. Look here, all of you, Nana. Here. Okay, these two parts makes an angle theta here. For example, total rod length is L. This length is L by 2. Center of mass is at distance. This distance is how much, Nana? Total rod length is L. This length is L by 2. Center of mass is present at center L by 4. In this rod length L by 2, center of mass present at center, so L by 4. This is also center of mass. Nana, this rod center of mass is here. This rod center of mass is here. Common center of mass is here, Nana. Common center of mass is here. This is called CCM. Common center of mass of bending rod. The question is distance of common center of mass from O. What is the question, Nana? Distance of common center of mass from O. This is the question. Okay. Here, look here. This angle between two rods is theta. Automatically, this angle is, tell me, Nana, theta by 2. Here, look here. This is the right angle triangle. This distance is, for example, x. For example, x. In the right angle triangle, this is opposite side. Length less, that is called adjacent side. Length more, that is called hypotenuse side. Here, adjacent is given and hypotenuse is given, so that's why cos will be taken. Cos definition is adjacent side by hypotenuse side. Simply this is here. Finally we got x value is L by 4. Tell me, Nana, cos theta by 2. Okay, this is the distance of center of mass from origin. All of you, first read question properly. Here how many discs are there? 2 discs. One is untadi nana open untadi anadi 2 discs ana. One disc is large disc, another one is small disc. Large disc radius have R1, small disc radius is R2. Okay, distance of center of mass from larger disc. From larger disc అన్నాడు కాబట్టి this can be assumed as a origin. Okay, In the situation, first, mass of the larger body, heading L, larger. Mass definition is volume into density. Volume write as area into thickness into density. Volume into density. Here, area of the large circular disc pi r square, pi r1 square into thickness into density. Next, I write smaller disc. Smaller disc mass is given. Mass write as volume into density. Volume write as area into thickness. Area of the smaller disc is pi r2 square t rho. Here y, here t, here t. According to question, both discs have same thickness and both the discs made of same material. Same material means same density. The fixed material density is a constant. And again, x1 is actually origin to first body center. This is the first body center. This is the origin. Both are coincide. X1 becomes 0. And again, what is the x2? x2 is measured from origin to second body center. What is the x2 value? Bangaru Kondalu r1 plus r2. Here, what is the formula for XCM? XCM formula is, look here all of you, m1 x1 plus m2 x2 whole by m1 plus m2. Okay na? Here m1 x1 is 0. 0 into anything 0 plus what is the m2? m2 is pi r2 square t rho into x2. x2 write as r1 plus r2 whole by m1 plus m2. m1 is pi r1 square t rho plus m2 is pi r2 square t rho. Okay, here look here, pi cancel, t cancel, rho cancel. Here remaining is answer. Write down. Removing concept now. Look here. Removing concept now. Look here all of you. This is the disc nana. All of you look here. This is the disc. Okay, this disc radius is given r. Here what is the r? R is a radius of the disc. Here another this is this part. Look here, this part from edge remove. Once again I repeat, this is the disc nana. Disc radius is r. This part remove from edge. This removed part radius is r by 2. R by 2. Actually, here to here r by 2, here to here r by 2. What is the diameter of removed part? R. For example, I take here origin. The question is find the new position of center of mass. Once again I repeat, this is the disk radius r. What is the location of center of mass? At center. Look here. But here some part is removed. The question is to determine the new position of center